Hey folks, this is Tushar Wakt and you're watching Be10x and I'm back again with one more amazing video. And in this video, I'm going to talk something about how you can find any of the AI tool which will help you to get your work done. If you're really not sure that which AI tool will help you to create a graphic design, which AI tool will help you to create a video, which AI tool will help you to translate a video, translate the information, create web content or any of the thing, but this time it is possible because it is not something which you have to go through the Google and search something like AI tool for graphic design, AI tool for generating images, blah blah blah, nothing. Just come to your ChatGPT 4 and click on the plugin section and go to this no plugins installed and just go to the plugin store, click on OK, and in the search section all you have to write is okay. So before moving ahead, I would like to tell you one thing, that AI is now taking over the world, and in such a short span of time we have seen so many layoffs. I mean, millions of jobs have been replaced by the AI and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will, and this is the promise and the statement is Aditya are saying. So if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, so join this 2 hours of AI tools workshop in which you will get to learn about the best AI tools to upskill yourself, increase your productivity and to enhance your career. Make sure your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link given in the description below, and this is the page with which you can register your workshop. Yes, AI is really very necessary, guys. Do learn about the AI. There are tons of videos, and also let me give you an information that if you have not enrolled for the course yet, go and enroll it now, because even if I am able to make all these videos, it is only because of the AI knowledge that I am having and also from the knowledge which I have gained from the Be10x. So in the search section, all you have to write, there's an AI for it. So when you write something like there, an AI for it, here's the tool I am talking about. Here's the plugin store basically. Let's click on the install button. Let's close it out. Let's make sure that only this AI tool is selected. So I'll give a prompt first that you are only supposed to search through the plugin installed and being used now, and then come down. You're only supposed to search through the plugin installed and being used now. And let's write, I want to create graphics very easy. I am a graphic designer and I'm looking out for a graphic design AI tool. That's it. When I click this enter button, just wait for the result. You'll be shocked. So currently you can see that ChatGPT is using this plugin called this. There's an AI for that. And in the result section, you can see that here are some AI tools that can help you create graphics easily as a graphic designer. The first tool name is Graphic Designer GPT, an innovative design assistant with real-time collaboration features for creating sleek product that flat designs and very much more. And second tool is named as Graphic Designer. So it is a creative powerhouse in visual communication, crafting expert visual designs and graphics. And the third tool name is Graphic Designer XA++ Enhanced, which is an advanced AI in book cover design with unique features. The fourth one is the Prompt Art, which enables marketing graphic design through prompt-based image generation. And the fifth one is a Playground for creating graphic design images. Sixth one is Pattern Maker AI. Seventh one is the AI graphics. Eighth one is the Pixcap. Ninth is the Plurana, and fourth is the Photo Fairy. Let's click on this first result. So the blue one which is being highlighted means it is the hyperlink. When you click on it, it will redirect it to the website, which is the actual website. Let's click on continuous, Tushar. I'll make sure that I'm logging into this website. And once you click on this basically link, it will take you to the website, where the website is also named as there's an AI for that. And just click on this agreement. And when you come down, even in this section, just in this section, you can make sure that you can start using this AI tool. Let's click on start chatting. So once we have clicked on this thing, you can see that it has taken you to this section. Now let's create an image. Let's do a thing. I'll see some of the examples, sample prompts, like I have copied this and it has brought me to this page. I'll choose any of the design, like what are the latest trends in UI and UX design. Let's close the page and let's see how the results are. Don't worry guys, usually it happens even for the ChatGPT 4. There are issues. So do not worry, just click on the regenerate response and you will get the response once again. I'll also copy something like this. So for now, it is giving me the latest trends. So latest trends is something which is having a lot of information. So just because of that, it is giving me the links in which when I click, I can go and look at the various designs that has the trending, UX design. So do not worry about it. Let's click on this message button. Let's paste out this information, like start a synchronized design session. So this was all about this graphic design AI tool. Let's do a thing. So let's click on this graphic designer XA++ enhanced. So when I click on it, it will make sure that it is again opening there's an AI for website. And once I get this information, I can, go to the start chatting and I can just access the various information and ideas, like create a design a vintage style book cover. When I click on it, let's see how the results is. So you can see that you are getting the entire detailed information here. And notice that, let's do a thing. Now let's get back here. I'll again change the something. I want to create graphics. No, I want to create Excel sheet. Now I am a data analyst. I want to create an Excel sheet easily. I'm a data analyst and I'm looking out for an AI tool. Let's fix this grammar mistake. Let's click on save and submit, and it is now using there's an AI for tool, and you can see that it has started giving me information like SheetGod specializes in creating complex Excel formulas and macros, enhancing productivity in spreadsheet management. So I just click on the SheetGod, so it is not able. Okay, let's click on SheetGod. It will take me to the SheetGod, and let's click on the visit website. And when I click on the visit website, here's the AI tool. So you don't need to spend hours of time in finding the AI tool. All you have to do, just go to ChatGPT, install this AI tool, and get your work done. That's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found the video useful. If yes, then let me know by giving a thumbs up to this video, and let me know that how do you find the AI tools relevant to your work in the comment section below. Till then, take care, and I'll meet you in the next video with one more amazing topic. Bye bye.